Thanks to Jason at Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for the professional installation of our SENSEN struts. We always recommend you go to a professional for this type of repair. Today we will be replacing a set of rear struts on the 2013 Ford Flex. These sets fit all models of the Ford Flex from 2009 to 2016 and all models of the Lincoln MKT from 2010 to 2012. We recommend using SENSEN shocks and struts when replacing your worn-out shocks and struts. SENSEN shocks and struts come with a limited lifetime warranty. They are benchmark tested against industry leaders for quality and designed to meet or exceed original equipment specifications. SENSEN has been manufacturing shocks and struts since 1985 and use Japanese NOK seals for superior leak resistance and come with a premium powder-coated finish to provide a long-lasting corrosion and rust protection. The SENSEN brand is where quality meets affordability. Some of the tools needed for this installation include 15, 18, 19, and 21 mm sockets, as well as a Phillips head screwdriver and a pair of pliers. This concludes our rear strut installation for the 2013 Ford Flex. Be sure to check out our front complete strut assembly installation video for this same vehicle. Thanks for watching, and thanks to Magnolia Tire Pro and Auto Service for the professional installation.